back to the Vera Projects. Today I'm going to go ahead and review this product that I bought on Temu. It's a 20-inch surface cleaner for pressure cleaning. Now I'm going to hook this up to this Ryobi 3200 PSI and see how it goes. Now, pretty cool features about this is that it has 4 wheels, so it's a lot easier to move. On top of that, on the trigger here, you can lock it. So you don't have to hold it the whole time, which is really nice. Another thing you can do is that this trigger locks when you store it, if you want to store it so it doesn't get damaged. Now, another great thing about this product is that it has the quick connects here for you to go ahead and connect the hoses immediately, very fast. And what I mean by that is, this is the quick connect right here, okay? So that's easier for me to come here and hook it up and it's ready to go, okay? So now we're gonna go ahead and turn this on and see how this actually performs. So pause it. Alright, so I hope that you guys liked the video. A few things that I've noticed is that the connection here on the machine itself, this particular, I don't know what this is called, but basically this here needs to have a washer at the bottom and on the top, like, you know, an O-ring or whatnot, because I'm getting leakage from here, and I'm also getting leakage from here. Now, a few things I'll have to go ahead and consider is probably getting a different type head here that already has the O-rings already installed, so it's a lot easier and it doesn't have any leakage. But other than that, the unit works extremely well, and I definitely recommend it if you want to, instead of spending $400 or $500, you want to spend about $167. I definitely recommend it. It's a lot easier on the arms, on your back, a lot quicker. This job here would have typically taken me a lot longer but unfortunately it was really quick using this new product. So I'll see you guys next time with another product. Go ahead, hit like, and thank you again for watching the Vera Projects.